Hey everybody, today I want to do a live trading example this week from VIX VXX ETF, the volatility, and let's see what that baby looked like. Okay, so we had a trading target here, VIX, and it was on 25th, day before my birthday, and it's that same pattern we've been trading, the same setup. It's actually starting to get kind of boring at this point, so you know that's a good sign. Looks like we opened right around here was the open, made this move up, and then you can see it tested yesterday's high of the day and then turned over, and then we had what we love to see. We had this harsh winter, this big move down. We had our frog box set up. I had my frog box set up right here, and I'm looking for a move from the PSAR flip right here that's at least one frog box. So we got almost two frog boxes down, and we had our standard risk right here. So this is our risk box that we use. So you can see price started to reverse at this point. It came down, stopped failing, failed to fail further, came through the dragon. So we bought it here, and you can see price basically failed almost immediately. I'll zoom in on that. You know, we had 1 bar, 2 bars, 3 bars, about 4 bars, didn't even get above here, and then just started to reverse on us. So I maybe could have gotten out a little bit earlier, but this isn't bad. I was just using a trail stop. So if you move this up, you could see it was when it went down by a risk box, I got out. That's an immediate stop and reverse, because basically we were playing on this long move, we were playing for a return up to this dragon high up here, right? So if you look here, this was our upside target. Now it failed right away, so that's information. And so we were able to then just get short on it. It was a stop and reverse, so I closed out the long position, went short here, started to come back. This made me pretty nervous. Almost a stop out. This green line was our stop, but then continued that downward move, and we just trailed it with this risk box. So came down, failed really nicely, and it's interesting because it went literally right to where our downside target was down here. So we were playing, what I did basically is I just saw, okay, here's the move to the upside, and then let's copy and paste that as a move to the downside, right? The same size move. So we said if it fails here, it could come all the way down to this purple line, right? That's not crazy. And you could see it actually went almost right to the tick, right down there. I was willing to give up 1R to see if it could still make an even further move down like this, you know, maybe to yesterday's low. It didn't, it just reversed. So we got out right here, bought it, and we had on our first position minus 0.72 to the upside, and then plus 3 on the downside. So that ended up with about 0.23 for the day. I'll take it. Click the link to get our free trading course at Ablewaytech.com. We also have our trading psychology course right now for 50% off from Ken Long, and all our other courses and bundles are available there. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more trading examples and trading lessons that we post each week. Thanks for watching.